Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for choosing to watch this video. So we came back to Crystal Crescent beach, which is maybe the best crystal beach I would say in the world. It's located 20 minutes out of Halifax, Nova Scotia. Gidget loves the waves and surfs over them. Today is the first time that I'm bringing Gidget with myself. I usually regret this because then she constantly wants attention and you have to constantly throw the ball for her and you don't get to relax and, you know, tan and lie down and relax basically. But today is all about her, so I'm letting her to enjoy as much as she could. So bye for now. I'm just gonna continue to video. Oh, they must have trimmed this. Video the path, which is lovely nature, and I'm planning to go videotape inside the ocean as well. I hope you guys get to enjoy it today. Bye for now and have a great day. Do you have your ball, Gidget? Yes. Okay. You can already hear the waves. It's feels like 40 degrees in Halifax. Over here is 20 degrees. Huge difference because of the breeze from the ocean. And here it is. Okay, so what we usually do, Gidget, come here, come here. We kind of take her off the leash. Come here. Apparently I can't. Okay, come, wait for mommy. Stay. You get your ball. And then, well, pets are not allowed in this beach, but she's so focused on her ball that she doesn't care for people or kids or anything. Yeah, it's fairly empty. That's good because it's just Friday. I just thought tomorrow would be the day to come by myself. And this is the worst part. So let's see how it goes. I made it. See? Can't wait. I know. Let's go. I know. Wow, water is freezing. Look at the ball. The ball is over there. And I have to say, the ocean water makes her sick, but it's so cool. Kind of gets her to cool off, and she loves playing on the surf. She loves surfing on the waves. Sorry. It was a hot day in Halifax, but definitely not over here. Go. Ah. It's freezing. I should admit, it's freezing. Well, I don't really care for... God, look at the water, look at the sands. So far, her head is dry, so we'll continue to do this until she starts to sink. Then seaweeds over here. Yeah, she doesn't want to stop usually, so. Yeah, the water comes from North Pole or North Atlantic Ocean, so it's usually freezing and cold. We do get warm days too, that you can actually swim, but you can tell almost nobody's in the water, except for Gidget. But look how clean and crystally is the water. I usually try to throw the ball on the beach so she gets to take a small break. Where's your ball? Where is it? You lost it again? She gets so stressed over the ball. Good girl. So baby girl, how about keep playing on the beach? I can't believe she's 13. No, she wants to go to the water. Where's your ball again? Can I have your ball? The vet said to prevent her from getting heat stroke on hot days because this area doesn't get wet. Kind of put some water over her head. Come over here, Gidget. Come over here. Come here, Gidget. Come here. Gidget, come here. Come here. Come here. No. Come here, Gidget. Okay. Maybe if I go with the ball, she will let me. Is it cold? I'm not being a baby, it's really cold. Not that many people come to this beach because it's so windy, the breeze is cold, and the water is always freezing. Well, most of the times are freezing. We do get some odd days that the water is warm too. But that works better for us because Gidget is not very well behaved around human beings. These are leftover seaweeds. Good job. Easy. Good job. Good job. Gidget, do you want to get the ball? Drop the ball? Okay, one second. Can you throw the ball? You want to throw the ball? No, Gidget, go back. No? Okay, that's okay. No worries. over, please. Why was it
Last year you was just a little too young. Just a little too young.
Go over there. Come over here. No, back there. Go over there. Good girl. Go. Don't be lazy. Go, Gidget. Let's go. Reminds me of those days that I used to teach swimming. I've lost my phone in the water so many times, but it's so clear that you can easily find it again. Do you want to drop the ball? Do you want to have a break, Gidget? Bye-bye. You're going with them? Bye-bye. Where's the ball? You lost it? Oh my God, where's the ball? Okay, how about playing a bit over here so you don't die? Do you want to drop it? Good girl. You're shivering, Gidget.
There we go.
Want some water? No. Come here. It's my ball, Gidget. I paid for it. Let go, let go, let go. Let's go play. Let's go play. Let's go play. You're digging in the beach. Gidget. It's okay. You're shivering. Do you need to go? Should we go home? No? Okay, let's go for one more round. Go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Go. It's okay, I'm coming too. I'm coming too, no crying. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Last one, okay, Gidget? Unfortunately, she doesn't drink water when we're next to the ocean because she's so excited. That can cause dehydration. I don't think her body can handle that. Drop the ball, Mama. Drop the ball. Good girl. Let's go. It's over there. Okay, let's go for a walk, Gidget, okay? So you dry off. Let's get you dry off. Let's go. Hit the ball. Hit the ball. Okay, good. So she's done swimming. Well, she's not done, but I kind of thought it's time to stop. The ocean water makes her sick. And also dehydrated too because she doesn't get to drink any fresh water. This way, Gidget. We're gonna go for a quick walk so she would dry off and kind of get out the rest of her excitement. And then we'll go to the lake. And the reason is because if I take her like this home, my house will be ruined by sand and seaweed that goes in between her first. So we go to the lake after here so she gets a chance to drink some fresh water and hopefully getting rid of the sands and seaweed in between her first. Then we go home and well, hopefully she sleeps for the rest of the day. I didn't swim today because it was freaking freezing. Makes sense. We had 2 weeks of non-stop rain, which was like a shock. There were some people saying it was a record in Nova Scotia for having that much rain. But again, we had fire a couple of weeks ago. And we were just having this joke that maybe we prayed too hard. Anyway, since yesterday, the sun is back. We love it. We appreciate it. We try to make the most out of each single day in all seasons. Even if winters is gorgeous. I love all seasons over here. And yeah, it's been 10-15 years. Haven't got sick of it yet. And every time is just like my first time. I get to enjoy every inch, every second of it. And I videotape like I'm a tourist over here. Gidget, back off, back up, back up. Good girl. I have to keep her on a short leash. Usually this side of the beach is a bit busier. Only there's like 2 more beaches over there that they are always busy. Again, because I come with Gidget. They do get frogs over here, which is cute. They usually kids come over. Maybe there's doggy up there, right? So you have to keep walking. You have to keep walking, Gidget. There's a wonderful spot, maybe 10 minutes walk from here. And we get to sit on rocks, and usually nobody joins us. It's like a private area a bit away from the beach. And we get to sit, and because you can't see the water from there, so she'll be a bit more cooperative to drink some. So right now I'm worried for her getting a heated stroke or dehydration. Where's Gidget? Come over here. Come over here. Hi. Hi. Come over here. Good girl. Hey. Good girl. I don't know if you guys have dogs and if they love to swim, but it's always a given. Come up here, Gidget. Up here so you don't get the jump. Come here. Good girl. You're smart. When it rains and we complain, I always say if we don't get the rain, we won't get this nice, gorgeous velvet green all over our province. God, the breeze makes a big difference. And that's why here is 20 degrees and Halifax feels like, I think it was feeling like 40 or 41 when we just left. We are having a heat warning for today and tomorrow anyways, so it's not a surprise, but hopefully it just be a bit cooler, more sunshine, and our summers are relatively short. Like usually in September, you can tell the grasses will stop to grow. You don't have to mow the lawns that often, and then it just starts to cool off. So we have to make the most out of the summer, every second of it. My clinic is going to be closed for the first 2 weeks of August, so I'm looking forward to make some nice plans and get more sunshine and get tanned a bit. And of course I'll bring Gidget and videotape more videos of her silliness. Be good, Gidget. This is another path that goes to the parking, but you can tell it's a bit narrow, lots of bugs. We're good to stay in the same path. Come over here. Sorry. Hi. Sorry. Go, keep going. Good girl. The other good thing with Crystal Crescent Beach is we don't get wild animals on the main path, so you don't have to worry about, a bear jump in front of you or a deer. Okay, here we go. Up. Come over here, Gidget. Let's go up here. Let's go. Good girl. Like I said, it's a nice private place to sit. Oh, there's someone already over there. Okay, let's grab a seat. Gidget, let's have some water. Do you want some water? Okay guys, we made it all the way up to here, and I hope you guys got to enjoy the video. I hope all of you guys get a chance to check out this gorgeous beach one day. It's just, and yeah, it's just incredibly clear and gorgeous, and it's like several shades of water all the way to, I think it's like goes and hits Scotland, Iceland, and England. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a great weekend ahead.